Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. Welcome to this edition of Hidden in Plain Sight. Cream of tartar? What's this about? Stay tuned and I'll tell you some really cool things about this hidden in plain sight. Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay from dirtfarmerjay.com. This is a cool compound that is kind of confusing. You'd think from cream, it's a dairy product? Nope. Tartar? Teeth scrapings? Gross. No, neither one. So what is cream of tartar? It's a dry acid that is formed in the winemaking process inside the vats. Crystals form of tartaric acid. That tartaric acid is harvested, purified, crushed, ground down into a dry powder, and it is acidic. Okay, so what? Well, this is an ingredient in many of the aluminum-free baking powders, not baking soda, that interacts with baking soda. So baking soda and cream of tartar put together in dry form are inactive, even though you have an acid and a base. When you moisturize that compound, the mix, and you add heat, you get carbon dioxide, gas bubbles that rise whatever it is you're doing. A real famous one is biscuits. Another one's pancakes. Those kind of things where cream of tartar is utilized for that. This is one of those hidden in plain sight things that really serve a great purpose. So who knew that something called cream of tartar is actually an acidic compound that works with a basic compound to give enhanced baking results? If you found this information to be helpful, you can also check out the entire playlist of hidden in plain sight factoids. A lot of cool things. Some of the plainest common things have the most uncommon origins of stories. And if you thought that was interesting, check out this video where we tell you about pH. We just talked about a dry acid and a base that work together to create another third compound or reaction. Check out this video and it'll tell you all about that. You'll get a lot smarter faster. Thanks for joining me today. This is Dirt Farmer Jay from dirtfarmerjay.com.